well. I can see you placing it exactly where you want it. It is nutty, man. It just gets sideways. Also like low and then high and then across the maple lanes. Power down, traction control. And shit. A little extra far out there. Just completely sideways, headed towards that curve now.
No, you're
I know there's big bubbles here, but I don't see any holes.
it's drifting in this. Nobody even knows. It's like that meme where it's the guy standing in the corner. He's like, nobody knows. I just it's not here.
There's throw the park right here. Grab my wallet from my. Hey, remember when I got you those Cokes?
Yeah.
Maybe you should
I'm down. Since you offered.
Wait.
Oh! Still smells like something's burning on the exterior. Yeah, there was like a psychotic black guy probably on acid or something. Just complaining about how cold it is. Oh no! Oh, okay, that's fine. I thought I just laid that on the floor, but I can work with this. I saw a little break and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to be careful.
Cheese snap. That was genuine. That was genuine. How is it being served? Okay, Brand? Good?
I like it. Also, I haven't had like a real Slim Jim in forever. It might be on like acid.
Cheese is kind of cheesy.
I was trying to head it in that direction.
Hold on.
The window's down, so I'm getting hit with the snow.
Oh, okay. I thought that was like a big block. That was just like a
Mario Kart shit.
build up. Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah, that was a good one. The guys definitely like,
It's all the way down.
here, this girl, you can impress them. Oh, it's the mother and son.
And that?
Yeah,
Nice.
it just came out.
Yeah, they probably heard me like,
Clear.
a little too hard.
Clear. Hello, cameras. His plate's covered. Did you find my parents' house?
I'm getting the free stuff.
Yeah, it'll sell you right
That was not even a drift. What the fuck?
It just got tracked. That was the issue there. Hi, bro.
Someone else drifted here.
Thanks for buying me this phone. A little so far away from us. You're like a good fuck.
They're always fucking.
Yeah, remember last time you came here?
Yeah, I tried to start it off and it just slid straight.
Yeah, we can call it the last person.
I'm not really headed anywhere with this one. Oh yeah, those people that live there are totally pissed right now.
Oh yeah. They yell at me and sounds like an electric toothbrush.
Yeah, I got a fucking supercharger apparently all of a sudden.
My car.
something's dragging a little bit. But
Dude, not.
oh, I just realized like the snow's kind of it hasn't really slowed down that much. Make sure I'm comfortable with the John
As we do.
and get traction on that little baby actually. No, I did like the cool 10 block thing.
Yeah, right, barely off the road.
Yeah.